Hello, welcome our GearResearch channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best gardening gloves that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, Pine Tree Tools Bamboo Gardening Gloves. If you are looking for a new pair of gloves for the garden and you find regular gloves too thick to be practical, this could be the pair you're looking for. The main innovation is a special layer of rubber on the palms and fingers of the gloves that gives you a firm, secure grip but still allows you to feel what you are touching, almost as though you had no gloves on at all. Another key feature of these gloves is that they are made of bamboo. This material is breathable and absorbs perspiration, keeping your hands warm in the winter but cool in the summer. They also have snug cuffs that keep dirt out without pinching your wrists. Furthermore, they are perfect for many other uses, not just gardening. For example, they are ideal for fishing. They will give you a firm grip on a wriggling fish and will also help keep your hands safe from harm. On the downside, these gloves are not designed for heavy-duty garden work. They are more suited to lighter gardening tasks like weeding and planting. Also, they won't provide as much protection from thorns as traditional leather gardening gloves. All in all, a great option for general gardening tasks. They are comfortable to wear, give you a good grip and allow you to feel what you are doing. They sell for a very reasonable price and come highly recommended. Number 2, COOLJOB Gardening Gloves for Women. If you're looking to stock up on decent quality gloves, COOLJOB Gardening Gloves for Men is a good pick. They feature a breathable, knit polyester base with a lightweight design so that your hands won't work up a sweat. Additionally, they have a sturdy rubber coating for a decent grip and extra protection. They come in a snug true-to-size fit so you can control your fingers easily. And with 6 pairs for under $20, you're also getting a good deal. While they come in a set, they aren't disposable, they're meant to last. To clean them, you can hose off dirt buildup or toss them into your washing machine. One thing to keep in mind is that these are water-resistant but not entirely waterproof. The soft latex coating makes the gloves pliable to allow for precision work, and the anti-slip layer provides sturdy performance and an excellent grip. The gloves have a light and breathable knitted base for a comfortable fit that keeps the sweat away. And the thickened fingertips protect fingernails. Easy to clean, they are machine washable or can be rinsed under the hose. Out of the packaging, these gloves have a powerful chemical smell, which wore off over time, but can be off-putting at first. This pair turned out to be one of our favorites due to the comfortable fit and great dexterity they offer. Number 3, Rose Pruning Gloves for Men and Women. These gloves, also from Magid, are designed for people who need a little more protection than some of the more basic gloves available, especially when dealing with roses and other thorny plants. The palms and fingers are thorn resistant, and they also offer forearm protection to just below the elbow, helping to keep your hands and arms scratch-free, even when working with the prickliest of vegetation. With a synthetic leather padded palm, reinforced fingertips and a knuckle guard, these gloves leave you free to tackle most garden jobs without the need to worry about the safety of your hands. Perhaps one feature that some people might like less is that the arm protection is quite wide and won't fit inside your sleeves. This may allow leaves and twigs to find their way inside the gloves as you work. Also, note that these gloves run small, so when buying, you might be better ordering a size larger than the one you would usually take. Overall, a solid pair of gloves and a great choice for gardeners who need to deal with prickly or thorny plants like roses or cacti. If you are looking for a pair of gloves that offer an extra level of protection, these should be high on your list of possibilities. Number 4, Pruning Gloves Long for Men and Women. Looking for a great leather glove for your gardening chores? Handy pruning gloves are by far the best leather gloves we tested. They offer the best fit, provide comfortable and agile finger mobility, and have a sleeve to protect your arms when pruning rose bushes. We appreciated the sleeve protection when sticking our arms deep into a summer squash plant and also found that we could roll the sleeves up when we didn't need the extra protection. We were pleasantly surprised by how adept these gloves are with delicate tasks and how comfortable they are for extended periods. These gloves weren't without a few minor flaws, however. After leaving the handy pruning gloves fully immersed in water and allowing them to dry, the protective sleeve became stiff. But after a couple of uses, they broke again. It came to our attention that these gloves need to be taken care of if you want them to last. This is not a pair of gloves to leave in your garden bed every night, or they could easily become stiff and even break down. They are a glove designed for thorny tasks and not so much digging in the dirt. Number 5, 6 pairs women gardening gloves. The cheapest garden gloves available that still do a good job of protecting your hands, these are hard to beat. They are sold in packs of 6, making them extremely good value, and, although they are inexpensive, they still perform well. Each pack contains gloves in assorted colors, pink, purple and green, and the gloves consist of a 100% nylon shell with a nitrile coating on the palms and fingers to help protect your hands and give you good grip while wearing them. The wrist is made of breathable polyester. At this price point, it seems almost unfair to point out negatives, but it is important to understand these gloves' limitations. They are designed for light to medium work, and you shouldn't expect them to last forever, especially if you wear them a lot. Also, they won't give you perfect protection against thorns and splinters, although they do offer a certain amount. When you first unpack them, they may have a chemical smell, but this dissipates quickly. They may also be a little stiff at first, but they become more supple after a few uses. To summarize, these gloves would be a good option for casual gardeners who need some light protection for their hands while working outside, and with such a low price tag, you can hardly go wrong. Like, comment and share. Please subscribe my channel. Check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.